find the product. What do you think we should do here?
Multiply 2x minus 5 by itself.
Okay, do you remember the formula? If I have a minus b squared, can you tell me what would be the formula?
Yeah, it would be a minus b times a minus b.
Okay, that's fine. But if I don't want to multiply term by term, do you remember the formula? That would be like a squared. What's the next term?
B squared.
Okay, yeah, b squared goes here. What would be the middle term? Minus what?
It's not minus b squared.
No, look, a minus b squared is the same as, like you said, a minus b times a minus b. Let's start with that. If you multiply term by term, here you get a times a would be a squared. And then if you multiply a by minus b, you get minus ab. If you take the second term, you get another minus ab.
Oh, no. Okay.
And then that gives you plus b squared. Okay, so when you combine like terms, what do we get here?
We get 2x minus 2 times 5 minus 2 times 5 plus 5 squared.
Okay, let's stay with this formula first. Let's finish this. So it would be a squared minus what?
It would be plus b squared.
No.
Cancel it out to come out.
It doesn't count. Both are minus. Minus AB minus AB. That would equal to what? What is minus? No, not square.
2ab.
Minus 2ab, yes. So you should remember this formula. If you have a minus b squared would be the first term squared, that's your first term. And then that would be your second term square, that's your second term. And then the middle term always would be minus 2ab. And you know why it's minus 2ab now? Because you would end up getting ab and ab. So minus ab minus ab give you minus 2ab. Now if you had plus here instead, if instead of minus I have plus, the only difference would be, if this were plus, this would be plus. And then when you add these, you get plus AB and plus AB. So what would be the middle term now? Instead of minus 2AB would be what?
Plus 2ab.
Plus 2AB, very good. So instead of minus 2AB would be plus 2AB. So if this were plus, the only difference would be this would be plus 2ab. So if I want to use the formula here, your first term is 2x and your second term is 5, and then so let's just follow this formula here. Then we have to write the first term square, and then what would be the middle term?
I would do
Minus
2x minus 2x plus 2x times 5.
Okay, let's use the parentheses here so we know what we're doing here. So the first term should be get squared. The first term is 2x. Oh, good. And then over here you also have to put a here, so it would be 2x. And what would be the second term here?
5.
5. Very good. What would be also 5 goes here too, right?
Yes.
Okay. So that's the second term. So if I expand this, what do I get? 2x squared is equal to what?
4x.
You mean 4x squared? Okay. So if I multiply these three numbers together, what do I get?
4x times 5 and 20x.
Minus 20x, that's good. Plus what?
Plus 25.
25. So this is how you expand them. You have to remember this formula. If you forget the formula, you can quickly write this to remind yourself. That would be the a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Do you follow that?